Guys, today you guys are going to decide on a net and you're going to be making a prism or a pyramid. You have to decide which one you want to do. Darn it. There we go. There it is. All right. So this is a hexagonal pyramid, and this is probably the most interesting of the nets. Now, in order to make this, you're going to have to do the following. You have to locate your center and make sure that your compass is the right size. Because remember, to make a hexagon, to make a regular hexagon, you need a circle. Now, I'm going to transfer this to a construction paper. So I'm just going to pick as close to the center as I can, and I'm going to make my circle. Now, after you make your circle, do you remember how to make your hexagon? Choose a spot to start, for example, here, and then go around with a radius this far. 1. Try and match them up as closely as you can. 2. 3. And you go all the way around. What it's going to look like is this when you're done, and you connect these points together. Now, the other part that you're going to need are these triangles. And to get these triangles, here's how you get them. Once you have your hexagon in place, now all you have to do is measure how far is it to the vertex. And from here, it should be the same distance. And it is. So you see that X up here. So we can see this X. And I'm going to do the same thing here and here. You see what I did? And you do that on all the sides. Now, one of the things I want to mention, when you finish everything, you're going to want to put your tab in. Because when you put the tabs in, it allows you to put it together. The tabs allow it to give you something to work with. So this is the hexagonal pyramid. You have 4 choices. You could also do a triangular prism. Now, obviously, you're not supposed to cut these out. These are paper. You're going to be using what you know about construction techniques to build these. I'll do this one next. Here. Then I'm going to use my compass to get the equilateral triangle. So I start out with a nice straight line. Get rid of this one. Where did my ruler go? I had one. Must have put my ruler down somewhere. All right. So I just start with a nice straight line. A good idea is to try to make it pretty close to the center. And you want to make sure that it's more or less horizontal. Now, all I have to do is choose a starting point. Now, I want to make mine the same size as this. So there's a real easy way to find out. All you have to do is mark it. I want it to be this size. And notice that it's going to be the same size over here as well. So now, check this out.
Do I take this to the office?
No, I don't know. They said to give it to you. Now I need another straight line going down. Now you could do the construction to make it perpendicular and make it perfectly perpendicular, but we're really good at perpendicular lines. And in fact, you've got these extra lines on your ruler that you can use to line up. And you can get a really nice perpendicular that way. And then I just mark the distance. And notice I'm not just marking this one, I'm also doing the construction for an equilateral triangle. And then I complete all 4 sides, put in the tabs, cut it out, and put it together. This one is easy. This one you won't have any trouble with. This one, however, I'm going to show you a trick for this.